Find the compound interest on rupees 1000 at the rate of 20% per annum for 18 months when interest is compounded half yearly. Now, when interest is compounded half yearly, there is a small change in the formula. The formula becomes A is equal to P into bracket 1 plus R by 2 upon 100 raised to 2n. Now, in this case, P will be 1000, rate will be 20. Now, it is 18 months. Now, we always take n in terms of years. So, n will be 1.5. We get 1.5 by doing 18 upon 12 because there are 12 months in 1 year. So, now substituting these values, we get P into 1 plus R is 20, so it becomes 20 upon 2 upon 100 raised to 2 into 1.5. So simplifying this, we get P, it is 1000. So 1000 into 1 plus 10 upon 100, that is, we can say 1 by 10 raised to 2 into 1.5 is 3. So this becomes 1000 into 11 upon 10 cube. So that is 1000 into 11 cube, that is 1331 upon 10 cube, that is 1000. So you get the amount as 1331. Now we want the compound interest. Compound interest is amount minus principal. Amount is 1331, principal is 1000. So therefore, compound interest comes out to be 331. So option C will be your answer.